Hi everyone, it's time for Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. We're back here at Kimberbell offices, and happy Halloween to all of you out there that celebrate Halloween. I am planning to show you some fun little tips and tricks for tying bows. You're going to love it. It's pretty much mind-blowing to me anyway. So I brought with me a guest, an honored guest. Her name is Cruella.
Hello, darlings. I don't know why Laurie asked me to help her today because she knows that I hate holidays and I hate bows. So let's get on with it.
Well, how about spiders? Do you like spiders?
It's a little too cute.
Oh. Well, let's try some bows with spiders on them maybe. Will that work?
All right.
Okay. So to make these were all made within about 30 seconds, if you can believe that. So I'll show you how it's done. Look how cute. Okay, Cruella's gonna help me here. So you're gonna start out. If you have a friend, and I'm doing this with a two-sided bow so that you can see how to keep the pretty print on one side only. So you start out, you go around their finger, and then you twist it at the bottom, just like you would a gift, and keep it down on the bottom, and you'll pull the top one over and make sure that the pretty side of the bow is on the top, and then you simply tie just a knot, and when you pull the knot tight, make sure both of the pretty sides are there, and then you just pull it tight. And you can go in just a little bit there. There you go, and you'll just slip it right off their finger, and there's your bow. Is that 30 seconds? I was not timing myself.
Not even.
Right there, and if you feel like one side is a little bigger than the other, it does slide back and forth on just the top part of the bow, but the bow itself is very secure. And that's how we made these bows. So we're going to do it one more time.
Yes, I think you'd better.
If you have a 3/8 inch ribbon, I would cut it about 12 inches long for this size bow. So you go around their finger, twist it on the bottom, and when I pull it over the top, make sure the print side is up, and then you tie the ribbon, and make sure when you pull it that both of your ribbon is facing you, both of the print side is facing you, and there you go. Isn't that so darling?
Wouldn't it be cute with Cruella's hair?
Look how darling that would look in your hair.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're going to do two more. This ribbon is a 5/8 inch ribbon, so it's really close to about an inch there. And if you're going to do that, I would make it at least 15 inches to 20 inches long. And we're going to go for another record-breaking ribbon tying here. So around, twist on the bottom, pull it over the top with the right side on the top, and I'm going to pull you just a little bit. There we go. And then when you tie your bow, have these facing you, and you just pull it tight. And like I said, you can slide the ribbon back and forth if you need to. And the way I like to finish up my ribbons, you could do whatever you'd like. I just trim them at an angle just to keep them from fraying. If you have a ribbon that frays, look how cute that is and how easy. Now I'm going to show you another trick. Look how cute this is. It's just made of tulle, and you could use this with tulle or your favorite curling ribbon, birthday ribbon, Christmas. This is a great trick to learn before Christmas. You can put them on your Christmas presents. So we're going to grab you one more time. So you'll take your tulle, and you can take a really long piece. And this is really long. Find the middle. And you find there's the middle, and you'll put the middle right in the middle, and I'm going to have you right about there. And you're going to wrap it and wrap it. And you can keep wrapping. That's how I made it so full. And this is what will make really fun full bows. I'll go one more time. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, again, cross them underneath, pull it around the top, and tie your knot. And look how cute. You can fan that out. And you can pull it if you want one way or the other. And look how great that is. Very, very quick and easy bow. Put one on either side of Cruella's hair.
I don't know why anyone would get so excited about a silly bow, but there are people who like that kind of thing, I suppose.
And I want to thank what do you guys think of Miss Cruella, my guest today? She's fabulous. Thank you so much for tuning in on Tuesday's Tips with Laurie, and I hope that you enjoy making bows as quick as you can. Thank you. Bye-bye.